Welcome. I am Joshua Kevin Galera and I will tackle about installation of fabric cover. When the expansion is complete, it will be well worth your time to build and cover a test panel prior to recovering the aircraft. Practice the installation of fabric up through the final finish coat of dope to be familiar with the process and the quality of the material in each phase of the installation. Type of installing of fabric covering: blanket method and envelope method. Here we will discuss about blanket covering method versus envelope covering method. As you see here in the slides, in the blanket method of recovering, multiple flat sections of fabric are trimmed and attached to the airframe versus an alternative method of recovering. The envelope method saves time by using pre-cut and pre-sewn envelopes to fabric to cover the aircraft. In the picture, as you can see, the man is laying out fabric during the blanket method recovering job. Preparation for blanket method of wing covering. Be sure all the fuselage metal parts are properly primed. Before you cover, install everything in the fuselage. Proper covering will prevent you from reaching. To hold the fuselage while you are covering it, make a tic-tac-toe jigs. A custom fit free sew fabric envelope is slid into position over a fuselage. For the envelope method of fabric covering, other than fitting, most steps in covering process are the same as with the blanket covering method. A several types of machine sewn seams that can be used to join the fabric where it meets when using the blanket method of covering. Thank you and have a nice day.